All right, here's a look at our '07 Silverado. I welcome you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as visit me online at WayneUlery.com. Here's a nice look at the passenger side, and a look at the back. There's your trailer hitch, electrical, tonneau cover on the top there. Nice look inside. This is an '07 1500 work truck on my lot for $99.95. Let's take a look on the inside. There's a nice look inside. Let's go ahead and get inside now. All right, there's your mileage, 110,471. Headlights, dome lights. Here's your stereo, climate controls, 2 chargers, dual glove box, OnStar, very nice. And there you have it, a nice look at this '07 Silverado work truck. Give me a call, 330-507-0502. We can set up a time for a test drive. Remember, when you buy from me, it's like buying from family. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.